StarCo is a leading manufacturer of railway wheels, offering a wide range of products for various rail applications. StarCo carefully selects high-quality steel alloys that meet the specific requirements for railway wheels. These alloys must possess the necessary strength, durability, and resistance to wear and fatigue. They use a spinning process that allows for superb flexibility in rim profiles. This process enables easy switching between different profiles such as W, DW, and asymmetric profiles, ensuring that there is a rim suited for every application. The selected steel is melted and cast into wheel blanks. These blanks serve as the starting point for the manufacturing process. The company designs, tools, and manufactures all discs in-house. This ensures full control over the material, form, and fitment, optimizing them for StarCo rims. These rims are significantly strengthened with a welded ring around the inside of the horn. The wheel blanks are heated to a high temperature to soften the steel and make it more malleable. The heated blanks are then shaped into the desired wheel profile using powerful forging presses. Forging imparts strength and durability to the wheels. The forged wheels undergo a series of machining operations to achieve the required dimensions, tolerances, and surface finish. This may involve turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. The wheel's tread profile is carefully machined to ensure proper contact with the rails and optimize traction and rolling resistance. The wheels are often heat-treated to improve their hardness and wear resistance. This process involves heating the wheels to a specific temperature and then quenching them in a cooling medium. Tempering is a subsequent heat treatment process that reduces the brittleness of the hardened steel while maintaining its strength. Precise measurements are taken to ensure that the wheels meet the specified tolerances and standards. The wheels may undergo additional finishing processes, such as grinding, polishing, or coating, to improve their appearance, corrosion resistance, and overall performance. The wheels are subjected to load tests to simulate the stresses they will experience in real-world railway operations. This helps to ensure their durability and reliability. The finished wheels are carefully packaged to protect them during transportation. Matco Tools is one of the leading American brands in the field of manufacturing hand tools, especially ratchet products. Each Matco ratchet product undergoes a rigorous manufacturing process, applying advanced technology to ensure maximum performance and reliability. Before production, Matco's engineering team uses modern CAD/CAM software, such as SolidWorks, AutoCAD, to design detailed 3D models. This is an important step to accurately check technical parameters, calculate bearing capacity, and optimize the design for the highest performance of the product. The first prototypes can be created using 3D printing technology, or CNC machining, for actual testing before mass production. Regarding materials, Matco uses chrome vanadium or chrome molybdenum alloy steel to ensure high durability, good bearing capacity, and effective corrosion resistance. The machining process begins with cutting the blank with a laser cutter or CNC machine, then hot forging at a temperature of about 1,200 degrees Celsius. Closed die forging technology gives the product a stronger structure and higher load-bearing capacity than conventional casting or stamping methods. After forging, the parts are finely machined with a 5-axis CNC machine to achieve extremely high precision, especially in the gear assembly and locking mechanism positions. After machining, the product continues to undergo heat treatment steps to increase hardness and wear resistance. The high-frequency quenching method increases surface hardness without making the entire metal structure brittle, while carburizing technology adds carbon to the surface, giving the ratchet superior durability while still maintaining the necessary ductility. In terms of aesthetics and durability, Matco applies advanced surface treatment technologies such as chrome/nickel plating to prevent corrosion or anti-slip coating to increase grip when used. These coatings not only protect the ratchet from rust, but also provide a professional, modern look. The final stage in the manufacturing process is assembly and quality control. Matco combines automated assembly lines with manual inspection by skilled technicians. Each product undergoes rigorous testing for torque, gear strength, and load testing up to 10,000 tightening cycles. Finally, the ratchet is packaged in a hard plastic case or protective plastic blister, with a unique serial number for easy tracking and warranty. Nide Group is a world leader in providing electric motor manufacturing solutions, especially automated production lines for three-phase motor stators. Stator is a fixed component in the motor, which plays a role in creating a magnetic field to convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Stator production requires high precision and complex processes to ensure optimal motor performance. The production of three-phase motor stators involves several key stages, each utilizing specialized equipment and technology to ensure precision and quality. The stator core is made of silicon steel sheets with a thickness of 0.2 millimeters to 0.35 millimeters, which are treated to reduce energy loss during operation. Nide also uses copper or aluminum windings to increase the conductivity and efficiency of the motor, as well as special insulation layers to ensure safety and durability. The silicon steel sheets are cut with absolute precision by high-speed stamping machines to form the grooves and stator core structure. The steel sheets are stacked into the stator core and pressed tightly to ensure a rigid structure. The insulation layer is inserted into the grooves of the stator core to prevent short circuits between the winding wire and the steel core. The winding machine uses CNC technology to wind the coils according to a pre-programmed pattern, ensuring accuracy and uniformity. The automatic tensioning system controls the tension of the wire to avoid damage to the wire or insulation. The wound coils are inserted into the stator slots, typically using automated insertion systems that minimize handling and potential damage. The ends of the coils are connected to form the stator winding configuration, ensuring that the connections are secure and reliable. The assembled stator is coated with insulating varnish to enhance dielectric strength and protect against environmental factors. The varnish is cured in an oven to harden and ensure a robust finish. Each stator undergoes rigorous electrical testing to verify performance metrics such as insulation resistance and winding continuity. Quality control checks are performed to assess dimensional accuracy and overall assembly integrity. Before packaging, each stator is inspected to ensure it meets all specifications. Stators are carefully packaged to prevent damage during transport. The advantage of the stator production line from Nide Group is the full automation thanks to a series of automatic machines, including automatic winding machine integrating CNC technology, automatic robotic system for steel plate stacking, wire insertion, and product inspection. In addition, technologies such as high-speed stamping machine help stamp silicon steel plates at speeds up to 600 times per minute with accuracy of plus or minus 0.01 millimeters to ensure efficient operation of the stator core, minimizing energy loss in heat treatment furnace using vacuum drying technology or hot air drying oven to ensure uniform and durable insulation coating. Nide Group's production line for three-phase motor stators exemplifies advanced manufacturing technology and quality assurance. By integrating automated processes and state-of-the-art machinery, Nide Group ensures the production of high-performance stators that meet the demands of various applications. Walter Hassenkamper GmbH is a world leader in the manufacture of precision engineering products, especially screws and nuts used in many industries such as construction, automotive, energy, and aviation. Walter applies a closed production process with optimized stages to ensure the highest quality, durability, and precision for screw and nut products. They use high-grade alloy steels, stainless steels, and special materials such as titanium alloys, depending on the product's requirements. The input materials are strictly tested for chemical composition and mechanical properties to ensure that they meet international standards, such as DIN, ISO, and ASTM. The metal billets are cut into short pieces according to the required length for the product, then cleaned and preheated to improve machinability. The billets are passed through multi-stage automatic stamping machines, forming without heating. This method helps to reduce material waste and increase product durability. The blank is heated to a temperature of about 1,200 degrees Celsius and shaped in a mold. Screw threads are created using thread rolling machines to ensure high precision and increased durability. This method compresses the surface of the material instead of cutting, giving the product a greater load-bearing capacity. For nuts, holes are drilled and threaded with high precision, meeting technical standards. After shaping and machining, the products are heat-treated to improve mechanical properties such as hardness, toughness, and wear resistance. The products are galvanized, hot-dip galvanized, or coated with anti-corrosion coating, Dacrymet, Geomet, to increase service life and protection in harsh environments. Walter Hasenkamper applies strict inspection steps at every stage of production to ensure the output product has the most perfect quality. Gränsfors Bruk, founded in 1902 in Sweden, is one of the world's leading brands in the production of handcrafted axes. They are renowned for their high-quality, durable products crafted by skilled artisans. Gränsfors uses carefully selected high-grade carbon steel to ensure the final product has the best strength, hardness, and edge retention. Gränsfors Bruk's blacksmiths use hammers and anvils to shape the axe head. This process is done entirely by hand with great care, ensuring that each axe is unique. The neck area, where the blade connects to the handle, is specially shaped to ensure strength and balance in use. Once the basic shape is perfected, the axe is cooled slowly to avoid internal stresses, ensuring long-term durability. The blade is heated to a precise temperature, then rapidly cooled in oil or water to achieve optimum hardness. The neck and shaft are heat-treated to increase flexibility, allowing them to withstand strong impacts without cracking or breaking. Sharpening is an extremely important step in the production of Gränsfors Bruk axes, creating a distinct difference in their products. The axe blades are hand-sharpened with a whetstone to achieve perfect sharpness. The craftsman uses different sharpening angles to optimize cutting performance, depending on the intended use, and then edge polishing is performed to enhance sharpness and remove small defects on the blade surface. After sharpening, each axe is hand-checked to ensure the blade meets Gränsfors cutting standards. The axe blade is secured to the handle with a steel and wood wedge, ensuring stability during use. The axe handle is coated with linseed oil to protect the wood and increase grip when used. Combining the rusticity of a wooden handle with the strength of steel, the Gränsfors Bruk axe is not only a tool but also a work of art. Gränsfors Bruk not only produces axes, but also conveys a traditional work ethic, combining meticulousness and passion. Rico Home and Kitchen Appliances is a leading brand in the field of manufacturing home appliances, especially ceiling fans. Their ceiling fan manufacturing process is carried out according to strict standards, including design, material selection, component processing, assembly, and quality inspection. Before mass production, each new ceiling fan model is designed and tested by Rico's team of engineers. In addition, ceiling fan prototypes are created using 3D printing or CNC machining technology, then undergo aerodynamic tests to evaluate airflow, power consumption, and noise. The main components of a ceiling fan include the fan blades, motor, and housing frame. Rico uses high-quality materials such as aluminum, plywood, and high-grade ABS plastic for the fan blades to ensure durability, lightweight, and optimal airflow. The motor is made of pure copper, which helps the fan operate smoothly, save electricity, and has high durability. The fan frame and shaft are made of galvanized steel or aluminum alloy, which increases load-bearing capacity and rust resistance. During the processing process, Rico uses laser or CNC cutting machines to precisely cut components from metal or wood sheets. The fan blades are shaped by hydraulic presses, ensuring precise curvature and tilt angle. The motor core is automatically wound with copper wire by CNC winding machine, helping the motor operate smoothly and have a longer life. Metal parts are firmly welded by automatic welding robots, ensuring accuracy and uniformity. To increase durability and corrosion resistance, the metal components of Rico ceiling fans undergo an intensive surface treatment process. The methods applied include electrostatic painting, which helps the fan blade and body surface to be durable and scratch-resistant. In addition, for aluminum fan products, Rico uses anodizing technology to create an optimal protective coating. For wooden fan blades, UV coating technology helps protect the surface from mold and maintains a long-lasting shine. Before assembly, all ceiling fan components must undergo strict quality control. The motor is tested for rotation speed, power consumption, and vibration to ensure stable operation. The fan blades are tested with a centrifugal force meter, which helps ensure balance when the fan is operating. In addition, metal parts are also tested for durability, load capacity, and corrosion resistance to ensure product life. After assembly, each ceiling fan is thoroughly tested for rotation speed, airflow, vibration, noise, and load capacity. Only products that meet all quality standards are moved to the packaging step. The finished product will be packaged in a sturdy cardboard box, along with installation accessories such as brackets, controllers, and instruction manuals. To ensure safety during transportation, Rico uses shockproof foam and special protective layers.